Hello friends, you're welcome back again to the Chima Digital Video channel. This video is very important for those of us who are mining Monorix. You know, Monorix should be distributing by tomorrow. Tomorrow is June 12th, so I think mining should be stopping today, except for any reason they extend it, because I could see one of their posts, they're asking community members if they should extend it. Some people say yes, but majority of the people are saying no, those who have been mining for a long time. Now, if they decide to list or distribute any time, it doesn't matter when they do, you need to do this. Very important. Please, please, please. If you don't do this, you may end up not getting anything after taking your time to get all of these coins. Now, go over to where you have, under this, where you have friends and boost, click on wallet. See where you have wallet down there. Just click on, let me show you what we need to do now. I click on wallet, you're going to find yourself here. Okay, when you find yourself here, you can see like the coins I already have that is under Monorix wallet. So you can see we have Mono wallets, we have the USD wallet. These are by the way. But look at what I wanted to do right now. Look at this thing here. This drop down arrow there, those three lines at the top left is a drop down. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see these options: account, games, wallet, NFT, inventory, Telegram bot, and all the rest of them. White paper. You can go through them, all of them. But then what matters, so want to click on account. This will help you to know whether your account has been verified. You can see what is written by it. Say you have not verified your email yet. To benefit from the Monorix features, please verify your email address. So this is it. So I'm going to do this now. I click on verify email. Let me show you how to do it. So choose the email. At this point, you've never done anything about email before now. Yes, when you started, they did never ask for it. So just put the email you want. Just like creating a new account. So type your email here. Okay. Now choose a password and confirm the same password you've chosen. So having input all of this, we now click on confirm. Just let's see. They have sent a 4-digit verification code to that email. It lasts for 100 seconds. So let me quickly get the email and put back here. Okay. Okay, you can see I've got that. So let me put it in here. Okay. Okay, verify. Wow. So at it stands now, my email is verified. You can see it. So you've got to have all of this. Recent tasks and all this. So my email is now verified and this account is well set. So make sure you have done this so that you will not lose all your efforts. It's very important. I'm going to stop at this video at this point. I wish you the best. If you are new to our channel, do well. Subscribe. If you have not yet joined Monorix, please look at the link in the dictionary and please join. You can use today to still get something. Even if they are starting distribution tomorrow, you can get some things. I'll be part of this project. It's very important. Share this video, like this video so that it could be recommended to others. So many people are using Monorix but they don't know about this. Please do well to help them. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.